The cryptocurrency world is buzzing. Former President Donald Trump has made an explosive announcement. He's hosting an exclusive dinner. The guests, the top holders of his dollar Trump coin. The crypto market has erupted in response. Trump's foray into the digital currency realm has been anything but ordinary. From NFTs to now a meme coin, he's navigated this new territory with his trademark flair. But this latest move has sent shockwaves through the cryptosphere. The dinner, scheduled for May 22nd at the Trump National Golf Club in Washington, D.C., is reserved for the top $220 Trump coin holders. It's an exclusive gathering. It promises unprecedented access to the former president. This isn't just about dining with the Donald, it's about the potential for networking. It's about the chance to hear Trump's insights on the future of cryptocurrency. This is a golden opportunity for the crypto elite. Holding dollar Trump coin just got a lot more enticing. The dinner invitation is the ultimate perk, but it comes with a tiered system of exclusivity. The top 25 holders, they're in for a royal treat. A VIP reception, a special tour, whispers even suggest a possible White House visit. This is next-level access. For the remaining 195 attendees, it's still a night to remember. A chance to rub shoulders with fellow crypto enthusiasts, an opportunity to hear from Trump himself. The value of such an experience is immeasurable, but the perks extend beyond the dinner. Holding dollar Trump coin is a statement. It's a sign of support for the former president, and in the world of cryptocurrency, community and belief are powerful drivers. This dinner invitation has solidified dollar Trump coin's status as more than just a meme. It's a ticket to an exclusive club, and that has sent its value soaring. The market has spoken, and it's shouting from the rooftops. Dollar Trump coin is on fire. Since Trump's dinner announcement, the coin has witnessed an astronomical surge in value. Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, reported a staggering 70% jump in the coin's price. Other exchanges reflect a similar trend. The numbers don't lie. Dollar Trump coin is riding a wave of unprecedented growth. Before the announcement, the coin was valued at a modest price. But the dinner invite acted like rocket fuel. The price shot up to $14.32, leaving analysts stunned. This surge is a testament to the power of Trump's influence. It's a clear indication that the crypto market is deeply intertwined with real-world events. And when those events involve a figure as polarizing as Trump, the effects are amplified. Section 4. The Golden Ticket. Who's invited to the crypto feast? Securing a seat at Trump's crypto dinner is no easy feat. The eligibility criteria are stringent. Only the most dedicated dollar Trump coin holders need apply. The primary requirement is straightforward. Be among the top 220 average dollar Trump holders. But there's a catch. This average is calculated between April 23rd and May 12th. This means maintaining a consistent and significant holding throughout this period. But that's not all. A rigorous background check is mandatory. Additional unspecified criteria further narrow down the pool. The competition is fierce. This exclusivity has created a frenzy in the crypto world. Individuals are scrambling to acquire dollar Trump coin. They're vying for a coveted spot on the leaderboard. The countdown to May 12th has become a nail-biting race against time. Section 5. Ethics and Excess. Critics cry foul over Trump's crypto dinner. Trump's crypto dinner has ignited a firestorm of controversy. Critics are up in arms, denouncing it as a blatant display of ethical impropriety. The line between politics and personal gain appears blurred. Senator Chris Murphy, a vocal critic of Trump, didn't mince words. He labeled it the most brazenly corrupt thing a president has ever done. The sentiment is echoed by many. Tony Kark from Accountable.us, a nonpartisan watchdog group, voiced his concerns. He described it as a bidding war for presidential access. The implication being that access to power is now for sale to the highest bidder in the crypto market. The optics are undeniable. Offering presidential access as a reward for holding a specific cryptocurrency raises serious ethical questions. Is this a harmless perk or a dangerous precedent? The debate rages on. Section 6. The Future of Finance and Politics. A digital dilemma? Trump's crypto dinner is more than just a headline-grabbing event. It's a sign of the times, a harbinger of the increasingly intertwined nature of finance and politics in the digital age. Cryptocurrency is no longer a niche interest, it's a powerful force, and its influence on the political landscape is only beginning to be felt. This event throws into sharp relief the complexities of navigating this new terrain. Where do we draw the line? How do we ensure ethical conduct when the lines between digital assets and political influence become increasingly blurred? The answers are far from clear. But one thing is certain: the convergence of cryptocurrency and politics presents both opportunities and challenges. How we navigate this uncharted territory will shape the future of both realms.